Hello everybody, welcome back to Dixon's Tech Reviews. Alright, this will be my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, let's get the unboxing started. As you can see, I opened the box already. Alright, this is what the iPhone 12 Pro looks like. It's pretty big and I really like the big screen, and it's a bit bigger compared to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, there's the new there's the camera and there's some improvements with the camera as well. See, it has like it has like 0. It has like a bigger wide angle camera, so you can see a bit more bigger, and yes, it's a bit more bigger. And this is the this is the Wi-Fi 256 version as well. My first impressions is that it's pretty big and I really like it. Yeah, it's pretty big and I really like it as well. It has great cameras, the same as the 11 Pro Max, but it has an extra LiDAR sensor as well. Alright, what else does it include in the box? This here, it only has a charger, yes. It doesn't, it comes with a charging cable, no charging brick this time round, and just some little manuals and stuff. Yes, nothing much. Alright, this will be the end of the there's the back of the box. Alright, it's a bit, this is the box, and it looks a bit more, and it looks way more smaller compared to the 11 Pro Max. Alright, this will be the end of the unboxing. I hope you guys will like it, and I will do my average in the next couple of days. Alright, bye.